Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel All Baking and Cooking. I'm going to show you how to make saute potato. This is original recipe from Gordon Ramsay. It would be better if you take small size potatoes and cut them half. In a pan, boil some water in which all the potatoes can be dipped fully. And 2 teaspoons of salt along with that, and now you have to boil the potatoes until they are fully tendered. You can use a fork or a knife to see that they are fully tendered or not. So now take a non-stick or a simple pan and add some 2 tablespoons of oil. One by one add as much potatoes as they can fit into the pan. And when they are fried up, like they have changed their color, then flip them off. Add 1 teaspoon of fine chopped garlic, black pepper and salt as much as you like. Add dried rosemary, because in Pakistan the fresh rosemary is not available, so I'm using the dried one. Just shake the pan a bit so that all the things are mixed up well, and when the chopped garlic start getting golden, then add butter. Our saute potatoes are ready, so just take them out. So these saute potatoes you can have with like tea as a side dish with any chicken or meat dish, and or you can simply have them plain.